Hi, my name is Heinrich, and as you can see, I'm a kayaker. But also, I'm a trainee at Diehl Aviation in Laupheim as a plastic and rubber technologist. In this traineeship, I built this carbon kayak all by myself. After today's training here, I will show you how I built this carbon kayak in the Diehl facility in Laupheim. Hello everyone, now we're back at the Diehl facility in Laupheim, where I'm doing my traineeship to become a plastic and rubber technologist. Right now I'm building a carbon kayak for competing at the World Cup in Millau, France. I'm doing this study since 1st September 2025 and I really like it so far. Actually, I didn't know about this job or study before I went to the educational fair in my city. I really liked how Diehl presented themselves because I already did some craftsmanship at home, for example, building a wooden paddle as a school project some years ago. I really liked doing that, so I did an internship at Diehl Aviation in Laupheim for 3 days. I liked it also, and so now I'm here. Here I am in the laminating room of the Diehl facility in Laupheim, where I mostly build my kayak. I chose to build my kayak out of carbon because it's way more durable than glass fiber and it withstands hitting a rock. So now that you have seen where I built my kayak and how I built my kayak, we are here in Millau for the World Cup 2026. The interesting part about my traineeship is that I built this carbon kayak at Diehl Aviation to compete here in Millau at the World Cup this week. For preparation for this World Cup, I trained a lot at my home spot in Ulm. I went kayaking sometimes 4 times a week for over an hour to prepare the best I could for this spot. The 2026 World Cup in Millau was a really great experience with a lot of people, a lot of joy and fun and a lot of competing. It was a really great experience to be here again in Millau and I'm hoping to come back. Building this kayak as a project at Diehl Aviation was really cool to do. I got a lot of help from my colleagues, which made it way easier to build it. I learned a lot and I will proceed learning about working with carbon fibers and other materials. In the future, I will continue my study at Diehl Aviation and hopefully build a better version of this kayak. Well, I knew that Diehl Aviation offers a lot of possibilities, but I never dreamed of that they would help me compete better at this World Cup here in Millau.